Sipadan is the only oceanic island in Malaysia, rising 2,000 feet, or 600 meters from the seabed. It is located in the Sipadan Sea, east of the major town of Taiwan, and off the coast of East Malaysia, on the island of Borneo. Sipadan is located at the heart of the Indo-Pacific Basin, the center of one of the richest marine habitats in the world. More than 3,000 species of fish and hundreds of coral species have been classified in this ecosystem. A mysterious turtle tomb lies underneath the column of the island, formed by an underwater limestone cave, with a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers that contain many skeletal remains of turtles that have become lost and drowned before finding the surface. The island was at the center of a territorial dispute between Malaysia and Indonesia. The matter was brought for adjudication before the International Court of Justice, and at the end of 2002, the court awarded the island, along with the island of Sipadan, to Malaysia on the basis of the effective occupation displayed by the latter's predecessor, Malaysia's former colonial power, Great Britain, and the absence of any other superior title. Normally, rare diving scenes are frequently seen in the waters around Sipadan. Schools of greenback turtles and hawksbill turtles nesting and mating, schools of barracuda and big-eye trevally in tornado-like formations, pelagic species such as manta rays, eagle rays, scalloped hammerhead sharks, and whale sharks.